Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Kawasaki Ninja 400. This ABS equipped lightweight twin sport bike just arrived with only 33,000 miles on the odometer. Beautiful condition. Wait till you hear that exhaust system. Tires are in great shape. It's got the engine guards, fender eliminator. I really like this shark skin gray and orange color combo. 6-speed transmission, fuel injected, liquid cooled, twin cylinder. Come on by, make your Ninja 400 dreams come true for just $49.99. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.